Children, today we will study the chapter 1, that is number system, in which we are taking the exercise 1A. The question number 1 of exercise 1A, and the first part is that we have to find which is greater, either 537 or 98. So whenever we have to find out which is greater, we will find what we have to do first. First we will count the digit in both number. How many digits are this number? 3. How many digits are on that number 98? 2. So here the number having the 3 digit, that is more than the number of digit that is in 98. So 537 will be greater than the 98. So answer is 537. Now the question number 2, second part I am going to take, and in which we have to find which is smaller. Here we have the two number 2497 and 2597, in which we have to find out which is smaller. As I told you, first we will count the number of digits. What do you see here? You see that the both number having the number of digits same, that is 4. But the second digit in this two number, here the we 24 and here we have the 25. So second digit of first number is 4 and the second digit of 2597 is 5, as the first digit are same. So we will see the second digit. So second digit of first number is 4 and the second digit of second number, that is 2597, that is 5. So which is greater? 5 is greater than 4. So that means 2497 is lesser than 2597. So your answer is 2497. The next question is question number 3, and the first part I am going to take, in which we have to find which is greater. So what I told you earlier, whenever we have to find out the greater or smaller, first count the number of digits. Here the number of digits in first number is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second number is same. After that we will see the first digit from left to right. Here the first digit is 4, here the first digit is 4, the same. Second digit is 5, and here the second digit, both having the 5. Third digit, here we have the 2 and here we have the 4. So which is greater? 4. So that means 45427 is greater than 45293. So your answer is 45427. Children, I am taking the next question, that is question number 7. Here we have the sum number 983, 5754, 84 and 5942. And we have to find which number is smallest and which is greatest. So what I told you earlier, whenever we have to find out the smallest or the greatest number, first we have to count the number of digits. Here whenever we see the 84 having the least number of digits, that is 2. So that will be the smallest one. And 5754 and 5942 in the maximum number of digits, that is 4. But in which we have to find out the which is greatest, 5754 or 5942. Both having the first digit same, but the second digit here in this number 5754, that is 7, and here in that 5942, that is 9. So which is greater, 7 or 9? 9 is greater. So that means 5942 is the greatest number. So the smallest number is 84 and the greatest number is 5942. Children, I am taking question number 8, fifth part. The digits are given 9607 and we have to form smallest number and the greatest number using this digit 9607 without repeating the digit. So whenever we have to make the smallest number, we have to take the smallest one and then we will write the up to the greatest. And whenever we have to write the greatest number, then we will write the greatest number first and then in the descending order. So first take the smallest. As we see, the first digit is 0. So whenever we write 0 in the first place, that will not countable. So we will take the second smallest digit, that is 6 first, and then the first smallest digit, that is 0, and the third 7, and then 9. So 6079 is the smallest number. Now for the greatest, as I already told you, we will take the greatest digit first and then descending order. So 9760 is the greatest number. So that is your answer. Children, I am taking question number 12, in which we have to form the largest number using digit 3, 2, 3, 5, 9, 6 and 0. So I already told you, whenever we have to make the largest number, you will take the largest digit first and write the digit in the descending order. So 9 is the greatest, largest, and after that 6, then 5, then 3, then 2, then 0. So the required number is 965320. So that is your answer. Now we are taking the question number 15, in which we have to find the sum of the largest and the smallest 4-digit number. So what is the largest number of 4-digit? That is 9999, and the smallest number of 4-digit, that is 1000. So the sum of that is, add this to 1, 9, and the 9 and the 9 and 9 plus 1, 10. So 10,999 is the sum of the largest and the smallest 4-digit number. Children, I am taking the next sum, question number 19, in which we have to form the numbers using the digit 368, and the condition is that repetition of any digit is not allowed. So here we have the number 368, and we can form the number first is 368, then the reverse 68, that will get the 386. Now again we will take the 6 at first place, so 683, and the reverse 83, that will give the 638. Now we will take 8 at first place, so 836, and the reverse of 36 is that 63, so 863. So these are the number using digit 368 we can form. So that is our answer. Next question is 19, in which we have to form the smallest and greatest number using the digit 5, 4, 7 and 9 with the condition. First part I am going to take with the condition that 7 is at unit place. We have to use the 7 at unit place. Unit place, that means the first place counting from the right side. So first write the 7, and then we will write the smallest number by using the digit 5, 4 and 9. So what is the smallest number by using the digit 5, 4, 9? That will be the 4, 5, 9. So write down 4, 5, 9 and the 7 as unit place. Now we have to form the greatest number. 7 we have already written. So we left the digit that are 9, 4 and 5. So using the digit make the greatest number. The greatest number is 954. So right in front of the 954 we will get the greatest number. So this is the answer of the question number 20, first part. Children, I am going to take the question number 1 of exercise 1B, in which given population of a city in 2014 is 3,54,976, and it is increased in 2015 by 68,438. So we have to find out the population at the end of 2015. So do the sum of 3,54,976 and the increased population, that is 68,438. The sum of that will be the 4,23,414. So the population at the end of 2015 is 4,23,414. That is your answer. Children, I am going to take the next question, that is question number 2. Given that A equal to 7,43,000 and B equal to 8,100,000, and we have to find which is greater and by how much. As I already told you, first you will see the number of digit for finding out the greater or the smaller. So in the both number we have the number of digit, that is 6. But the first digit of A is 7 and the first digit of B is 8. So that means B is greater than A. And by how much? For that you will do the rough work. I did the rough work there. 8,100,000 you will subtract from 8,100,000 7,43,000, and you will get the answer 57,100. So your answer is B is greater than A by 57,100.